all things are looking like a breakout. Bitcoin broke 32,000 or 30,200. ICP all time now. What do you think? We'll get into that. You guys know the deal. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Every 5,000 likes we get on TikTok, I will do a free exit point on how I would do on my Patreon for your entire portfolio. So go ahead. Gosh, Chainlink is going crazy. That's right. Full on Wyckoff accumulation has been done. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is rocking and rolling. And I have been saying since April, I have been saying since September, there is a strong possibility. Pickle Rick, thank you for the fireworks.
I'm Pickle Rick!
You savage. I've been saying for a long time now, there is a strong possibility that we never, ever again get a sub $25,000 Bitcoin. 24,700. And things are looking amazing. Now, just like down here at the bottom of the range, I am the voice of reason. Right here, I will be the voice of reason again. We are still within a range. Okay? We cannot have any parties until we get above 31,800. That to me is like, okay. It is on. It is on like Donkey Kong. I believe this time there's a good possibility that we are going to get into that range and we are actually in the midst of our retracement. Pickle Rick, thank you for the Mr. Orange.
I'm Pickle Rick!
We just need those Bitcoin ETFs to be approved at once and we will see insane movement. I agree. I think that is exactly how it's going to go. When it does happen, it will be just like that. Everyone waiting for the lower prices. Now they stuck on the higher prices. Yeah. I mean, honestly, though, where we're at right now is really not, 5 years from now or even a year from now. I think that where we're at right now for Bitcoin is still a really good price. Win Moon, says the dirty old trucker. Eagle, please. Kadena. Ski. What up, bro? What up? It's your boys. Yeah, Bitcoin looking really good. Now we're getting pretty high on the RSI. We're in the 80s on the daily. That is not like insane. It can get as high as 95, but 80 is definitely on the overbought portion at this moment in time. So we're heading into the full moon energy. I anticipate us to poke above this and get out of this range. A back test right now for downside targets, I'm looking at $28,000. 28,000, pretty much 28,000 even. I said it back in September, and I've been saying it for a while. Don't wait for 12K Bitcoin. Yeah, no, it's not coming. I said back in September, and I've been saying it for a while. I do not think that that there will ever be a sub $25,000 Bitcoin ever again in the history of forever. We'll see how much steam this has. This looks very strong though. We're getting it. We've the RSI is moving. It's high, but it's not oversold. And on the weekly, we still even have some room to go. On the weekly, we're at 62, which is bullish, but it's definitely not oversold. So we got some room to go on the bigger time frame. On the daily time frame, I anticipate us to cool off soon. On a shorter time frame, but we'll see. But I do anticipate us within the next week or so. I think that we are going to pop out of this range here at the $32,000 mark. we can retrace a lot faster than people think. That is 100% true. Because this is what it's going to look like. Just as fast as we went down here is just as fast as we can go up to the retracement. That is the retracement. It's the reverse of this move right here. So this is where the retracement's going to get us. It was the end of the last hurrah of, if you will, of the bull run. And that brought us into death. And just as fast as we went into death is just as fast as we're going to finish this move. So let's just see, like, how many weeks did it take us to get to the peak of the bottom? So 10 weeks. 10 weeks, that it was done. That's how fast it can go. And if we go on a daily time frame and look at these like really big moves, like these two, really out of those 10 weeks, most of the moves were right here on these two separate occasions. And that was 7 days, was half the move. Whoops. And the other 7 days was, or the other half was 11 days. So 7 days and 11 days, 18 days, basically that entire move. So 18 days, the entire move can be done. That's how quickly it can go. Link is going crazy. Good time to buy your final bags. Yeah, dollar cost average. Load them up. My boy, what up? Be like water. Be like water. What is up? Facts. Imagine if Bitcoin pushes towards 35K, ETFs get approved around that price. The retracement would be right there. Yeah, no, that's 100%. And also, at 35,000, like there's just this thin air right here. So there's not really too much. I mean, there's a little bit over here, but there's really not a lot of trading that's going to be resistance at that price. So we'd be getting into price discovery. Devin Gajewski, XRP, please. When is the last chance? What up, Ski? The last chance. It's the last melon. The last chance. We're getting very close. Like, this is where I think that we're at, guys. Like, I've said this. I've made my case many times before. But this is where I think that we're at. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Every 5,000 likes we get on TikTok, I will do a free giveaway on a exit point of your coin of choice. We'll do a giveaway every 5,000 likes we get. So make sure you guys keep spamming that like button. Comment down below. Share this stream so that more people can spam the like button. All right. This is where we're at, in my opinion. Somewhere in this range right here. I mean, we even had like the same... Let me make this look pretty for you guys. Let me make this look real pretty. But we were at, so like we had the same peaks, we had the same depths right here, the same depths. We had the violent up thrust, here, the back test. All this is very much the same. And also, we were at this red line, aka the 236, about there. We were there for 210 days. We have been around this red line for now 220 days. Not only that, but like look at this little... So this was the last moment before we went and hit our retracement. Look, we even had the same little down thrust one more time before we went off and away. So I think we're somewhere in here, guys. Somewhere in here. Now, after we had our little down thrust, it took us a week to actually poke at the very top of the range. We will have to break 31K resistance. That is true. We are still in a range, but I think that we're going to do it this time. Is this factual? This is actual factual. They are so similar, bro. Love these predictions. Thoughts on Deso? Boy, I learned the power of DCA. I've missed out thinking prices would go lower. You take the stress away once you DCA. Yo, Ski Sensei. That down thrust looks so similar to last time. Yeah, no, literally the same. Full moon on Halloween weekend. Yeah, there could be a ritual. I anticipate a back test of 28K. What's happening with Hex Ski? It was oversold is what's happening. And it, like, what goes up must come down. What comes down must come up. All right, we're at 3,396. Once we get to 5,000, I will do a free exit price on how I would play your favorite coin in the bull market with my knowledge. We will do that for every 5,000 likes that this stream gets. So make sure you're spamming that like button. Spam that like button on YouTube. Spam it on TikTok. Let's get this party started. All right, so we got... Let me write down in order. EGLD. KDA. That's pretty much where I think we're at with Bitcoin. Upside targets, I think we're going to bust out of this range at about 32K. Downside, I'm looking at 28K. 28K back tests on the moving averages. That is where I think we're at. Any concern RSI higher? It can, on the daily, like we are high, but we're not like it's so high where it's like, for the love of God, take profit. It's high, but it's not like ungodly high. XRP. INJ. STX. Sol. QNT. ETH. Win back test of 28K. It doesn't... If we're breaking out, if we're really doing this right now, if this is what we're doing, we don't need to back test it. We back tested it plenty of times. I'm just giving you a downside target. I don't necessarily even think that that's what's going to happen. This looks pretty strong to me. All I'm saying is if we lose steam at the top of the range, because ultimately we are still within a range, that is where it would come back to. Oh, we're already at 5,000. Dope. All right, we'll start off with the free coin. All right, let me write down this coin or this number. I am thinking of a number between 1 and 50. I think Pickle Rick had. ETH. Oh. ETH. AGIX. Gala. Audius. Still nobody has gotten it yet. A got it. It was 8. AA Ron. AA Ron. The correct number. 8. Niner. Is that your coin? Is that your coin that you want to do? I need to remember to give YouTube a head start because they're on a time delay. Or I need to just like put TikTok on a time delay because I could easily do that too. We're already at 6,300. So when we get to 10,000, we'll do another one. What is your coin? Is Niner your coin, AA Ron? Alluvium. All right. This is assuming that the tokenomics are good. On the portfolio review that I do on Patreon, I look at the tokenomics and I consider that. I don't know for this particular coin. All right, assuming that, this is how I would play your coin. And if you didn't win, don't worry. We'll do another giveaway once we get to 10,000. And I offer this full service on my Patreon. I do an entire portfolio review, critiques, what I would do differently, as well as give you exit targets to consider with my knowledge on how I would play your entire portfolio in the bull market. All right, that being said, I would take 20% at $58.60. I would take another 20% at $69. And 30 cents. I would take another 20% at $130. And I would take the final 30% at $188. That is how I would play your coin. With my knowledge, I would hold 20% forever. Not financial advice. That is just how I would do it. Assuming that the tokenomics are good. Alright, keep spamming that like button. Once we get to 10,000, we will do another one. And I'm gonna give YouTube a 100 like. I'm gonna give YouTube a 50 like head start next time. So when they're at 9,950, I will let YouTube start guessing. Is now a bad entry point for Bitcoin? Anything relative? No, I don't think so. In the short term, it might be a little, but like a year, 2 year, 3 year, like it's not gonna matter, in my opinion. What coin was that? That was Alluvium. All right, we're gonna start off with Gala, because Pickle Rick sent me the fireworks. Plus, Gala has been kind of beaten down here. Yeah, Gala not looking amazing on the charts. Retracement 19 cents, maximum retracement 47 cents, and if it wants to go parabolic, $1.22. I would consider getting out of Gala around 38 cents. Not a maybe not everything, but a good bit. Yoski, is it bad to sell all tokens at the specific point that was desired? What do you mean? Let me fix my camera. How is the music volume, by the way, guys? Music volume and my volume. I messed around with my settings a little bit. I want to make sure we're sounding good. Litecoin for Twin Dog. Good volume. I think I like TikTok quality more. It goes back and forth. Sometimes YouTube's better, sometimes TikTok's better. All right, we're at 9,200. Keep spamming that like button. BTG for Sunny. Shib. Pickle Rick, thank you for the roses, you savage.
I'm Pickle Rick.
All right, we already hit. YouTube, go ahead. 1 in 100. We're going to give 10 seconds, and then TikTok, you guys can start guessing. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. TikTok, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. How was the bear hunt? 39, the Browns score. That's a good guess. But not quite. None yet. 34. Breezy got it. It is 34. 22 or 88. Nope, 34 was it. Breezy got it. Quant price prediction at XTC. Quant is 1400. Breezy, what is your coin? Breezy's still guessing. You already got it, brother. The coin was, or the number was 34. He said thinking. All right, well, you think about it. I'm going to go down this list a little bit. We're going to start with E-Gold. Work on my list here. Retracement for E-Gold. 222. Parabolic level. 1378. And if you didn't win, don't worry. We'll do another one at 15,000. We'll do another one at 15,000. KDA. And I offer that entire portfolio review service on my Patreon. You just missed Gala, brother. 122 is the max I would consider 38 cents. KDA. Go Browns. Refs help us a lot, but I'll take it. Hey, if anybody deserves for the refs to help them for a game, it is the Cleveland Browns. Because some of the worst calls in all of sports have went against Cleveland. OXO. Okay, I remember this one, and I've had trouble with this one. All right, retracement for KDA is $3.90. Parabolic is $15.27. So, did the refs bail us out? Perhaps. Do we deserve it in the grand scheme of things? Yes. Yes, we do. All right, I've always never had luck looking at this, finding this one. But I will try. There's zeros. All right, this thing has already went parabolic. It's already went to the 2618, 13 cents. This one's a tough one to... This is already a level to take profit at. It could go as high as 20 cents. So what would really happen with this coin is, like, let's say the number was $1. It would go up to the parabolic, come back down, go up to another parabolic, like that. I don't know what the number would be. I would get rid of like 40% at 20 cents. And then I would wait to re-enter. This is a new coin with not a lot of data. I would get rid of 40% at 20 cents, 19 cents to be safe. And then I would reaccumulate when it crashes from there. ICP. We're at 12,300. Keep spamming that like button. Parabolic level. Every coin is different. It's somewhere between 1.618, the golden ratio, and 4.236. Every coin honors different things. Can you do GRT? I got you. ICP. GRT. Retracement means a lot. No. Tom, a retracement is like this. Okay, so let me just show you with Bitcoin real quick. Hold on. So here's a good example. So this is the all-time high. This is parabolic. And then it came back, crashed all the way down like a ball bouncing, like you have a ball that dropped from the very top of a building, and they dropped all the way to the floor, and it bounces about 70% away, 50 to 70% of the way up. In this particular case, Bitcoin went to the 618. That is a retracement, but that's not a new bull run. It's not a price discovery. But what you'll see is, if you pull a fib from here and go over here, it goes to the 3618. The very next top was the 3618. Any thoughts on Luna Classic? I think it's gambling. I'm not against gambling. H bar. HBAR. ICP is on the list. Opinion on arbitrage, ARB. I think layer 2s are going to be very important. I don't know which one's going to be the winner. But I think that layer 2s are very, very important because Ethereum transaction fees are garbage. And people are going to figure that out, and they're going to stop transacting on the Ethereum network. Harmony 1. Jasmine. All right, 13.7 thousand likes. Let's get it to 15,000, and we'll do another one. Let's continue on the list. We got XRP. Whoops. XRP is going to go somewhere between $5 and $14. Engine. Fake out. I don't know if you call it a fake out. You could say it's ranging. I don't know if you could call a 12% move to the upside in a week, aka an entire year of stock market gains, a fake out. You couldn't call that a fake out. You could call it the top of the range if you want. That could be an accurate thing to say. But 12% to the upside in a week, aka an entire year of stock market gains. I don't know. All right, retracement is $12.90. Whoops. Parabolic for engine is $62. Can you do Aura Chain, please? What is the ticker for that? Of those three, I like Optimism. ARB, Optos, and OP. I like Optimism the best of those three. Personally. We got 200 more likes. YouTube, go ahead. Start guessing. Number between 1 and 100. TikTok, go ahead. We hit 15K on TikTok. Go ahead. 1 and 100. Ah, Nas got it. Dang, that's crazy. I picked 12 for the... There we go. 12 for the number of wins that the Browns are going to have by the end of the year. PE, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Don't worry, Sonny. Every 5,000 likes, we'll do another one. And I offer this entire portfolio review service on my Patreon. All right, Nas, what is your coin? All right, you think about it, Nas. I'm going to work on this list. STX. Oops. All right, so this thing already retraced. Maximum retracement is $1.90 for STX. Parabolic level is $7.50. DGB, please. Nos, you are the winner. What is your coin? Haven't heard the Orange Man in a while. I don't know if I have them anymore. I'll try. XRP. That's a good one. I think someone did XRP last time. No worries. Mike says, how do you see engine going to 62? Most I see is 22. It's not what I see. The parabolic is the very highest that it possibly can go on a likelihood. The very highest likelihood that it can go. Not necessarily what I see. I don't hold any engine. That's why I always say the retracement as well, because it will go to one of them. All right, XRP. I actually have XRP. 1 second. All right, XRP. 20% at $1.11. 20% at $3.33. 10% at $5.89. 10% at $8.88. And 20% at $13.88. That is how I will be playing XRP. Because I also hold XRP. Quant 1400. DGB is on the list. Chainlink. To the moon, I heard. Shiba is on the list. Jasmine is... I think it's on the list. It is on the list. All right. Keep spamming that like button. The next... When we get to 20,000 likes, I will do another one. I'll do another giveaway of what I offer on my Patreon. On my portfolio review service. You mean engine. ADA, I got you. Alchemy Exchange, Mikey, I don't have any thoughts on that. What's your giveaway, bro? I just did it. So basically, every 5,000 likes that we get on TikTok, I pick a number between 1 and 100. I write it down. And then when someone guesses it, I show them that they guessed it. So 12 was the number. Once they guess it, they pick a coin, and I tell them how I would exit that coin in the bull market. That is a service that I offer on my Patreon. I do a full portfolio review as well as exit targets for your entire portfolio. Caspa. XYO. AMP. So every 5,000s, can you do ETH? Yeah, ETH is on the list, brother. All right, we got Soul next. Matic, LTC. I think LTC is on the list. It is. SYLO. Pickle Rick, thank you for the galaxy. You savage.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Can you do Singularity Net? AGIX, yes. AGIX is after ETH. It's already on the list. All right, what was your coin? It was ETH. All right. Let me do Soul real quick, and then we'll do ETH. $2.3x, as high as a 15x. So retracement, for Soul is $97, and the parabolic is $488. All right, ETH. Retracement for ETH is 2,800. Parabolic is anywhere between $7,000 and $15,000. Thank you for the confetti, you savage.
I'm Pickle Rick!
There's going to be a chain link killer coming on 25th October, coin name Super Oracles. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, we're closing in on 17,000 likes. Once we get this bad boy to 20,000 likes, we will do another giveaway. All right, AGIX. Move my algo into Chainlink at $5.90. Their monthly MACD looked too good. My man. Let's go, John. All right, AGIX looks like it's forming a Wyckoff accumulation right now. Looks like a bottom is in for AGIX. If this range holds here. Retracement is 32 cents. Maximum retracement is 41 cents. Parabolic level is $1.25. Yo, Ski, you think gaming will be huge in the bull run? I do. I do, in fact, think that gaming will be massive in the bull run. Litecoin. Litecoin is a lot of times like one of the first altcoins that goes. Not always, but a lot of times it's like the first altcoin to just start running for whatever reason. Retracement for Litecoin 181. Maximum retracement is 267. Parabolic level $1,000. ApeCoin. Closing in on 18,000 likes. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Once we get to 20,000, we will do another giveaway. Whoops. BTG. I think this was for Sunny. Bitcoin Gold. Had a pretty big pump up here, $25. Yes, this only got to the 382 here. I'm going to go off of this right here because we didn't even retrace. All right, retracement is $89. Parabolic level, $557. Between 400 and 500 and between 4 and 500. Naka to replace Gala in the bull run. Naka definitely has some potential in my opinion. I think I went over Engine already. I went over INJ, not ENJ. I think someone thought I was going over ENJ. We can look at ENJ later. All right, Shiba. All right, we're going to do the market cap for Shiba. I'm just going to say this many X. And you guys can figure out what the number is. All right, retracement for Shiba is a 4.5x. Parabolic is a 32x. All right, 18K, 2,000 more likes, and we will do another coin exit point in the bull run on how I would play your coin. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. And share it so that more people can spam the like button so that we can do more coins. ICP. ICP's tokenomics are weird. Again, I'm going to look at the market cap. You're going to have to figure out the math. Retracement is a 26x. That's insane. Parabolic is an 88x. That would be insanity. Crow, what crow? Bro, do Ultra. What is the ticker for that? Also, what do you think of it? I don't have any thoughts on it. Do you have Discord or Telegram? I do. Discord is, my link is in my bio. It's your boy Ski and Savages. H-bar. H-bar I think is on the list. H-bar is on the list. It's after H-bar is in the hole. GRT. H-bar's in the hole. It's on deck now. 18.6 thousand, 1,500 more likes. And we'll do one more giveaway. Our retracement for GRT is a 3x. Parabolic level is a 16.7x. Tom, thank you for the rose, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Hey, bro. What up? What up, BC? Alu is the ticker. And then we got XYO for Cho. Weavy, please. I think XYO is on the list. Let me see. Yeah, XYO is on the list. Chainlink prediction. A link is on the list. It's after DGB. 19.5 thousand likes. We're almost there. Spam that like button. Uh-oh. YouTube. Go ahead. Number between 1 and 100. TikTok. TikTok, go ahead. I gotta fix my camera. YouTube gets a head start, guys. Because there's a lag. They get a 10-second head start because they have a 10-second lag. All right, no one's gotten it yet. LOL going in on Bare Naked. No one. Oh, 73. TikToker investigator. I'm supposed to go on his Twitch at some point. The number was 73. For the greatest left tackle of all time for Joe Thomas. Jim hit it. Jim hit it. All right. Jim. Tom, we're playing a game. Every 5,000 likes on TikTok that we get, I do a giveaway that I do on my Patreon on my portfolio review where I give exit points on how I would play your particular coin in the bull market. My boy's brother used to play for the Cleveland Browns. Nice. Jim, they're saying you won, Jim, cuz. What is your coin? You think about that. I'm going to work on this list. H-bar. I have not done Chainlink yet. If you didn't win, don't worry. Every 5,000 likes, we'll do a new one. And I offer that service for your entire portfolio on my Patreon. Ape coin for Jim. All right, I got you. H-bar. Retracement is a 1.3x. And a parabolic is a 12x. All right, Ape coin for Jim. You do quant yet? $1,388 for quant. Ape coin. All right, assuming that the tokenomics are good and squared away on this, I don't know. Let me look at the market cap. I don't see anything. All right. This is assuming that the market cap is good. Or the supply has not been fooled around with. Because it's still making new lows, I would be more aggressive on exiting. Personally. I would take 20% at $5.16. I would take another 20% at $10.72. I would take 10% at $14.70. I would take 20% at $32. And I would take the final 10% at $51. Our Weavy is on the list, brother. Why are you doing market cap? Market cap is like, that tells you the truth. That tells you if the supply has been messed with. So that is how I would exit Ape. And if you didn't get it, don't worry. We'll do it again at 25,000 likes. And I offer that entire service on my Patreon. I do an entire portfolio review as well as every single one of your coins where I would exit them in the bull market. Because it's just as easy or it's just as hard to buy when it's scary as it is to sell when it's greedy. Can you do Chainlink? Chainlink is after DGB. Chainlink is in the hole. Harmony, so it's Harmony 1, Jasmine, DGB, and then Link. Market cap matters on every single coin. I have never ever uttered the words that market cap does not matter on XRP. Market cap matters on every single coin. Anybody that's telling you that market cap doesn't matter, they're telling you that because they know that their price point is not realistic. Gala is $1.22. I already did Gala. Joe also. All right, what do we got here? Harmony 1. Harmony 1. And I really like to look at market cap because it will take away sort of like, that's nonsense. XRP is my second biggest holding. I've never uttered the words ever in my life that market cap does not matter. Yes, 122 parabolic. Maximum. Top 5 favorite coins. Bitcoin is like half of my holdings right now. And I've said this many times. Bitcoin will be the showstopper until we start making new all-time highs. So Bitcoin's going to be the most profitable outside of a few scenarios, but it's going to be the most profitable as a whole to the upside, and it's going to be the least amount of downside when it comes down. That is going to be true until we start making new all-time highs. We get into phase 4 of the bull run, then the altcoins are going to go crazy. So my plan is to rotate Bitcoin profits into altcoins. But Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Quant. My top 5 low market caps. I really, really like DNX. I did a full breakdown of that one. That's my favorite AI coin. That's my favorite mining coin. I also like Ergo, Chia, NXRA, Sauce, Flux. Those are some of my favorite low market caps. Yeah, 10K is nonsense. That would never happen. Market caps matter as always, yeah. Anyone who says that market cap doesn't matter is telling you they're selling you a dream so that they have exit liquidity. Anybody that tells you that market cap doesn't matter is full of it. All right, retracement 14 cents for Harmony 1. Maximum retracement 23 cents. Parabolic level is 97 cents. Even on the Fibonacci's, like even if the market cap wasn't that way, nothing says 10,000. There's no technical analysis that says 10,000. Like that doesn't exist. Do you think Chainlink and Quant are competitors? Can they both do well? Yes. I do. I like Chainlink's in my top 10. I have a good bit of Chainlink. Jasmine. Thoughts on privacy coins? I think they're important. I don't think that they're like, I like them. I think privacy is very important. But I don't think that they're like really popular. Like they don't have super, like for obvious reasons, they don't really have like these huge communities of people that are about them. I like Monero for privacy. It's okay. There's a few privacy coins. What's your comment? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite privacy coin? Retracement for Jasmine is 7 cents. Maximum retracement is 12 cents. Parabolic, 33 cents. Will you sell all your Bitcoin when you think it's a new all-time high? I won't. I will hold 20% forever. Yeah, Monero. Monero. Yeah, Monero's probably my favorite privacy coin too. I mine Monero as well. DGB. All right, we got 23,000 likes. We're almost there. Storage. Are you asking me my favorite storage coin? It's Chia. What are all your other cryptos you will not sell out of? XRP, basically my top 5. XRP. I don't really, honestly, guys, if I'm being 100, Ethereum is in my top 5. I do not like Ethereum. I don't like the founders. I don't like the whole Ethereum Classic thing. Like that is bad to me. But I just respect their partnerships, and I think they're a real player. But I don't like Ethereum. They're in my top 5. They're in my top 5 holdings. I don't like Ethereum. I don't like their founders. The whole thing with, I don't know if you guys know the story of Ethereum Classic or not, but basically, there was a contract that routed a bunch of the transactions to someone's wallet. People agreed to this on the contract. The founders went behind the code, or the developers went behind the code and made it so that this transaction never happened, even though it did. And thus, when that happened, the network was forked. And basically, there is 2 different timelines. There's one timeline, or there's like an alternate universe, basically. There's one universe where the transaction happened, and there's one where it didn't. Ethereum, it didn't happen because the developer said it didn't happen. Ethereum Classic, it happened because the miner said it happened. To me, like, that's not a good thing that a developer can just go behind and say that the transaction didn't happen. What's the next ETH killer? I think ETH's here, man. I don't think it's going to be... Like, I don't like it, but I put my emotions aside because I understand that there's big players involved with them and their market cap, and I respect, you know, the development that they've done in a lot of ways. So I don't like them, but it's not about what I like. I'm here to have financial freedom. DUBBZ. Alu is on the list, brother. The next ETH killer. I mean, if XRP... I mean, it'd probably be XRP, I guess. Maybe HBAR, actually. Gala 122. This happened, I think, in like I think it happened like 2017. How about your Browns? We're talking about the Cleveland Browns being the Cleveland Browns. We're 4-2. XRP isn't in the same class. I agree. But they have the ability to do everything that Ethereum does, but much cheaper and much faster. I don't think there's an ETH killer. Like, I don't think ETH's getting killed. Personally. Like, is there an Amazon killer? Is there a... Where's Bitcoin going this coming week? It's either going to break out to the upside of 32K or it's going to backtest 28K. All right, Link. Did I finish DGB? I did, right? 41 cents. Link! ETH is here to stay, yeah. I think so. This is textbook, 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 Wyckoff accumulation completed. This is a sign of strength. Let's see. I have my accumulation here. Hold on. Where did my thing go? So literally, this is, we're working on the sinus. This literally looks exactly the same. Let's just pull this right here. And that is what that is. Let me zoom in. I wish I could make it dark for you guys. Maybe I can. No. Anyways, it doesn't matter. That's Link. Link's Wyckoff accumulation is done, in my opinion. This is a sign of strength, which is right here. Sign of strength. So it's probably going to come to the next level and back test. It could go as high as the 236 here at $16, and it could back test this range right here. That would be the next like move for Link. This is textbook Wyckoff accumulation. Bottom is in for Link. It's been in. Retracement, $28. Parabolic level, 131. Really hoping H-bar cracks $1. Was one of the hardest things I did, but I bought a decent bag on that one spring dip. Yeah, that's it, man. It's like you gotta like just go against your feelings a lot of times, because your feelings will lead you astray almost every time. XCC to $10 says, maybe I know nothing about crypto, but I believe ETH is more important than Bitcoin as far as altcoins. Correct me if I'm wrong. As far as altcoins go. So Bitcoin is not an altcoin. It depends on like what you're ranking importance from. I think Bitcoin's the most important. Whatever Bitcoin does, the entire market does. But ETH is like the biggest altcoin. I think ETH is like, you know, literally like silver to Bitcoin's gold. VET, please. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Not financial advice. You could wait for a back test on this range right here, because this is what this is. This is a bottom. This is how bottoms come in. And not only bottoms, but this is how you get out of. This is the constant cycle that every asset goes through. You have Wyckoff accumulation. You have your markup, which is your bull run. You have your distribution, which is your top. And then you have your markdown, which is your bear market. It just goes constantly, constantly, constantly. The accumulation part of Link is completed. The accumulation on ETH, the accumulation on XRP, the accumulation on Bitcoin, it's all completed. We're waiting for this right here, the markup. But this is literally like textbook Wyckoff accumulation. It literally looks exactly the same. Like Kronos, what going to? Kronos is on the list. Yo, what up, Ski? We got 1,000 more likes, and we'll do our giveaway. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. ADA. And then Caspa. Retracement for ADA is a 3.5x. Maximum is a 5.8x. Parabolic 25x. ETH is on the move. I just got a notification on my phone. 24,700. All right, YouTube, go ahead and start guessing the number between 1 and 100. TikTok, go ahead and start guessing. No one up. Dude, TikToker got it again. $13. Have you done Zilliqa? I have not. TikToker, did you win today already? If you won, we'll do it again. Let me know if you won already. If you won, yeah. Did you win today already? Because you won. The number was 13. No. All right. What is your coin? You think about that. I'm going to work on this list. Caspa. Yeah, Caspa's already parabolic. It's going to go as high as 11 cents. We really don't know anything, but it'll probably backtest the prior one. Caspa's still pretty new. TikTok Investigator 333. What is your coin? XYO. $0.01 retracement is 3 cents. Maximum retracement 5.5 cents. Parabolic level for XYO is 20 cents. ALU is after engine. AMP. Ecomi. All right, TikToker. What is your coin? We'll do it again. Let me know if you're thinking. Ski. What was Jasmine? 33 cents. Will VRA have a big bull run? I think so. Did you look at tail yet? Not much. How much to look at a ticker? Any donation is greatly appreciated. How about them Browns? What do you think, F? All right, TikToker. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to let me know if you're thinking or not on your coin. If not, we'll do another. We'll do another one. Yuma. Wiggins on fire. Thank you for the donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, if TikToker doesn't say that his coin by the time I do Yuma. He must have me muted. What are you talking about, bro? ICP. All right. ICP's a tough one, but I got you. We're already at 27,000. We'll do another one at 30,000. Hip fire, I don't aim. All right, this looks pretty good. This looks like it's working on Wyckoff accumulation, similar to Link. So we're still kind of in a range right now for this one. Top of the range is still like a 1x to the upside. Retracement for Yuma is 4.83x. Maximum retracement is a 7.7x. Parabolic level is a 33x. VRA. VET. This is weird song again. Spell token. We're at 27.5 thousand likes. At 30,000, we'll do another one. We'll do another giveaway. Right now, we're about to do ICP. I think I have ICP. Somebody. All right. I thought I had it. But I don't. All right. I would take 20% at a 4x. I would take 20% at a 12x. I would take 20% at a 20x. 10% at a 38x. And the last little bit at a 88x. The Fibonacci is the craziest on ICP. I've said many times it has the most boom and bust potential. All right, what do we got? Trump, thank you for the $5, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
He says, fact, it's on XEGGEX. All right, let's check that one out. Fact. So I see. Oh, I don't know if I can do that one, brother. Check Mexi. It's not on TradingView. It's on X. Is this not it right here? Is it D factor? He says, I just want to hear the sound clip again.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, let me see. Oh, why is this white? Much better. Is this the coin? Fact ORN. Yeah, if it's not on TradingView, I'm not going to be able to do. You can give me a different one. Let me see. Let me pull this over here. I don't want to. He says it's on XEGGEX. Let's see what we got. This is the same one, Factron. It's on TradingView, bro. This is literally the same one. Let me see. All right, retracement $21, maximum retracement $32. Parabolic level is $131. It's called, I just pulled it up. Try it one more time. Okay, said that's the right one. Noon. Thank you for the rose, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, we're at 28,000 likes. We'll do one more when we get to 30,000 likes. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. What was we on? Did we do AMP yet? And then we'll do any more donos from YouTube. If you guys want to do that. Retracement is 2 cents for AMP. Maximum retracement is 4 cents. Parabolic level is 16 cents. Matic. Jupiter Moon, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Yeah, this thing hit the 618 perfectly already. This already retraced. Trump says, Teo. I got you, brother. Thank you for the donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Parabolic level for Matic is another 10x. Teo. This thing already retraced all the way. Came back test all the way back down to the 236. So yeah, this already went maximum retracement. The parabolic level for this is $303. It's kind of a new chart, so it could hit the parabolic, come back, and then make a new pull from there. But that's sort of in the medium term. That's what you're looking at. But it already hit the maximum retracement as well. $88. It could hit that again. Oops. All right, poly sign. I got you. $30,500. Is Bitcoin on the move? Is she pumping as we're live streaming? She sure is. 30,000. Pump it up. 30,500. Go, little rock star. Spell token, I got you, brother. You think we'll see 40K this year? I do. 48,000 is the maximum I think that we're going to see this year. Economy's on the list. And the very least that we're going to see, in my opinion, is the very least that we're going to see, in my opinion, is 38,000. But this year, yeah, 40,000, I think we're going to hit that. All right. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Take a look at port. I got you. If not, you'll have to shave, brother. Yeah, I have to shave my face, my beard, my hair. But I think I'm pretty safe. I don't just make bets like that just for fun. I make it because I think it. All right, e-commie will look. EC. What was it? EC. Oh. Top coins to buy. Me right now, I am accumulating Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is going to be the showstopper all the way up. Right now, I've said this. We're in phase 2 of 4 of the bull run. Phase 2 and phase 3 is going to be all about Bitcoin to the upside and the least to the downside. So my plan is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, rotate those profits into the altcoins before phase 4. Phase 4 is going to be all about the altcoins. That is my strategy. All right, economy. Retracement is 003. Maximum retracement is 0053. Parabolic level, 2 cents. Ah, shoot. I've been adding these to my trading list. No. In the words of the great Bon Jovi, keep the faith. When you first made the comment about phase 1, I bought a bag of Bitcoin. I'm sitting pretty right now. Let's go. Ashke sent 179. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I appreciate you. Alu. Did you say Caspa is parabolic now? I just bought some. Should I sell it? It is, but it's new. It hasn't had a proper bull run. And like it seems to be winning the mining wars. I would, if you like Caspa, I would just buy a little bit each and every week. I don't know what that is in dollars. Shout out to my brother who sends me a video of you and put me on, then didn't follow and never remembers who I'm talking about when I mention you. They will remember my name. Bitcoin's pumping. Let's go. Is she testing the top of the range? All right, brother. This looks like Wyckoff accumulation is completed. It looks like a sign of strength. Retracement, 15 cents. Maximum retracement is 27 cents. I would take profit at both of those levels. He's missing the sauce. Parabolic level, $1.38. API 3 chart is gonna go. Is Bitcoin just pumping? I said I was going on a bear hunt. And I came back. And Bitcoin is testing the top of the range. You can buy Caspa on Mexi. Let me see. KuCoin, Mexi, Bybit, Uphold, Spell Token. If you guys don't have Uphold, use my link in the description. We'll both get some free crypto. AGIX. I think I already did AGIX. Does anybody remember what that was? What was the other one I missed? Somebody said something. 37, 38 for Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping. Shiba. I think I already did Shiba. 26x. All right, we're going to continue the list. Pepe. We haven't done Pepe. 28,700 likes. At 30,000, we'll do another free giveaway on my portfolio review. Do you do deeper dives into coins for donations? We could do that. What's the best place to watch you at? For me personally, like, is YouTube. Like if you're like trying to help me out, the best place is YouTube. But wherever you get it, it doesn't matter. Does anybody remember what AGIX was? What was the... Oh, Pepe. That's right. All right, where are we at here? SYLO. And then we did ApeCoin. We did Alu. We did Ikame. Yeah, that's like a 26x. Maybe higher. No, you're saying 20 cents. Flying word. That's not right for Shiba. I don't think it'll go over a penny. Doge. $0.02. $0.002. Got to teach about market cap. What would you like to know about market cap? Basically at 26x, Flying Warrior. 26x is the max I think it's going to go. All right, where are we at? SYLO. SYLO. This chart isn't amazing. 29,300. All right, retracement 0029. Maximum retracement is 0041. Parabolic level 1.3 cents. I used to buy cheap coins thinking they would, they would all go to $1, but now understanding market cap, I know that's not the deal. And market cap will also tell you whether like the founders have been like messing with the coin supply too. Market cap will tell you a lot about a coin. Engine. All market cap is just like the total amount that people have invested into the coin. That's it. So, for instance, Bitcoin's market cap currently is almost 600 billion. That means across the globe, there is 600 billion US dollars that have been bought into Bitcoin. That's all the market cap is. But you can't manipulate this number. You can manipulate supply on some coins. You can manipulate volume, but you can't manipulate market cap. How much people have bought is how much people have bought. $29.5. All right, retracement for Engine is $1.93. Maximum retracement is $3.42. Parabolic level is $16.88. Yeah, someone confused INJ for ENJ earlier. They said $20. I think $20 is a little bit overzealous, but $16.88 is not that far. Price of coin X coins, right? What do you mean? Price of X coins. Yes, whatever coin the market cap is, that's how much have been bought into X coin. All right, CHO. Yeah, well, I'm not going to do that one. RAR weave. We're 500 likes away. A market cap video. All right, I got you. I'll make a market cap video. Retracement for Arweave is $27. Maximum retracement is $42. Parabolic is $167. You about to piss me off in 2 minutes. You doing Chronos? I am. It's right now. It's time. Whoa, Crypto Adopter. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
A retracement is 40 cents. Maximum retracement is 69 cents. Parabolic level, $2.40. Alliance block. NXRA. I like NXRA. She's pumping. Retracement is 8 cents. Parabolic level is 28 cents. This hasn't had a proper bull run, so you could have a few iterations of the parabolics. But that's what the medium term says. Crow, fam. Crow was my biggest holding last run, and it printed. Bitcoin retracement, 48,000. As low as 35,000 would be the bare minimum. VET. Retracement 11 cents. Maximum retracement is 17 cents. Parabolic for VET is 70 cents. We're 500 likes away on TikTok. Spam that like button and we'll do one more coin on where I would exit on your particular coin in the bull market. It's just as hard to buy the bottom as it is to sell when things are greedy. Spell token. Spell is after VR. It's after polysign. Spell is in the hole. Or actually, yes. Spell's in the hole. Zilliqa. 29.8. Alright, YouTube. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Go ahead, TikTok. Number between 1 and 100, TikTok. Nope. 18, no. 76, no. 11, no. 69, no. 25, no. 67, 99, no, no. 100. 42, no, no. Sunny. 88. Yes, you can guess as many times as you want. The number was 88. Think about your coin. I'm going to do Zilliqa. 9 cents. Retracement is 14 cents. Parabolic is 56 cents. Don't worry. If you didn't get it, I offer that in this entire service for your entire portfolio. I do a portfolio review as well as where I would exit on each individual one of your coins in the bull market. So if you didn't win, don't worry. We do this every 5,000 likes, and I offer that whole service. How much for your reviews? $53. It comes with a consultation, a review, a spreadsheet of your entire portfolio on where I would exit. All right. And you get access to my private Discord, which has all my tier 1 Patreon views, which is like, that also comes with my entire trading course, my books that have helped me, meditations, all kind of great stuff. Crazy amount of value. Double infinity. Triple infinity. Sonny, what is your coin? I'm going to keep working on the list. VRA. There's a one-time payment to get in, yes. And then after that, if you want to stay a part of my exclusive videos, it is $8.88 per month. Because I upload weekly videos. I think we're getting very close to the last time to buy. In your previous reviews, Gala went from 290 to 130. Major change. Yes. Some things. I'll pivot. If things are different, I will pivot. Things are different to me for Gala. Like the chart, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look as good as I thought it did. Does that mean wait for 20K? I don't think we're ever going to get 20K ever again. In the words of Roaring Kitty, I like the price. Sonny, what is your coin? All right, VRA, retracement. Did I do VRA? Parabolic level is 21 cents. How do I get the Discord link? I'll send it on here. I also have a private Discord that comes with my Patreon, which you have access to my portfolio percentages anytime that I buy or sell outside of my normal dollar cost averaging. Do you like Kronos? I do. There's my Discord. I just put it in the YouTube chat. Are we overbought yet? We're getting there. Not quite. When you say 1400, you start to exit. I'll start to exit at 300. I'll exit again at 700. Like, 1400 is like the max. The tippity top. Sonny, it's your coin. If you don't want to do Bitcoin, you don't have to do Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. They're sending you kisses. All right, I'm taking. All right, I'm gonna take 10% at the 0.5 here at about $35,000. I'm gonna take as much as another 20% at $48,000. Okay, that is hopefully to reaccumulate if we get rejected there and come back to backtest this level right here at about $30,000. So I would be selling about 30% in hopes to reaccumulate outside of normal dollar cost averaging back here at the $30,000 range, $32,000 range. Okay. Beyond that, so 10% at all-time highs. $20% at $88,000. $10% at $92,000. And the last 10 at $142,000. Depending if I was able to accumulate more down here or not, the very tippity top is 207. That's where I would consider starting to sell my altcoins and such. All right, guys. If you guys want me to do that for your entire portfolio, like I said, it is in the I offer that service. I will review your portfolio and give you exit targets for every single one of your coins, as well as teach you how to do the method to my madness. All right, we got Spell. Spell is broken below. Looks like it might be working on Wyckoff accumulation here. Retracement 00087. Parabolic level is 003. Port. Port is also... What is up with Port here? Jesus. Port has gotten crushed. I don't know what's up with the supply on this coin. Retracement is 49 cents. Maximum retracement 66 cents. Parabolic level $2. API 3. Retracement $4.20. Maximum retracement is $6.33. Parabolic level $24 hairs. Pepe Le Pew. We're going to go in... This might be working on Wyckoff. We're going to go in percentages. I'm not going to go in numbers. Retracement is a 2.3x. Maximum retracement is a 3.2x. Parabolic is a 16x. and Doge. Retracement for Doge is 31 cents. Maximum retracement is 52 cents. Parabolic level, $2.40. The reverse of 420. Blazing, bro. All right, guys. Thank you to all the donators. If you want your entire portfolio reviewed with exit points, I do that on my Patreon, as well as a full course, books, all that and more is over there. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. I have one. All my links are in the description. I will never message you and ask you, how's your trading going? That is a scammer. Please report them. If you don't have Uphold and you want some free crypto, go ahead and check out the link in the description for that. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Hey, I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling.